Yeah, we just had to block the big power line transformer.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Get the hell.
It's backside Rutherford. Off behind Rutherford. Not paying attention, Mike.
I pay attention like you would not believe. I pay attention even when I'm hitting trees.
What, babe? 11th Street on curfew. Look, he's got chainsaws. He looting. Ooh, he's stealing. He's stealing.
It's a brand fucking new chainsaw.
Where do you think he bought it at, huh?
You can't buy it
Oh,
anywhere. That looks like the I thought it said. See, okay, see somebody gets it. Are we turning on transmitter or are we going up to until day? I wanted to see my position transmitter. That's the goal. I wanted to see my apartment. I guess it's gonna look anything like that. No walls. It has no walls.
It has no walls. They have no roof.
Mike, you have munchies?
Do what?
You have munchies?
Do I have munchies?
Mm-hmm. That's what that store said, Mike's munchies. I assume you have munchies. That used to be the meat market.
Yep.
It's not anymore. Fences and flooring. Oh. Somebody could have rode out on them. Oh, you better watch yourself.
Act right.
So far.
What in the living hell?
Back on 15th Street. Look, I'm gonna YouTube people.
What are y'all
YouTubing.
doing? Right in front of them.
Yeah, people crossing.
There, your buddy's a moron. He's a freaking moron. I don't care. I know what I'm saying.
We know what he's saying.
98
Right.
transmitter. That's a fairly new store.
About 10, 12 years old.
I'm not gonna make it down that often anymore. But it's compared to everything else around here, it's a fairly new store.
Look, there's a red light blinking.
Oh, yes.
Alright, y'all get one shot. I'm going. Oh!
You better go if you're
Thank
gonna
you.
go.
Thank you.
That truck's not letting me
Y'all better know who's got the damn right of way in this mic.
Well, that big truck right there is blocking the view of everyone in the other lanes next to him.
Because he's a dummy.
go. You forgot your parents back there.
They'll get through.
I'll pull over up here so they can catch up.
No.
Stop.
Don't pull over, they'll think we're looting. It's getting dark. We gotta get out.
I am.
Are you gonna hear looting jokes this whole trip?
Booty jokes?
At least until we get out of the county.
That's gonna be a while. Not really.
Nah, we can make it.
That really ain't going nowhere.
We might have to get rid of some weight in here to make better time.
Yeah, Emma. I'm the lightest in here.
How much you weigh?
Like 110.
How much you weigh?
Mama! How she got meat on her bones and I still weigh 110? I might have lost some pounds. Yeah, we haven't been eating much.
Well, now all of Facebook is gonna know how much you weigh.
Yeah, Emma.
Emma Bloom.
Ella says she weighs 159.
I did not. I didn't say. I do not weigh that much. No. She weighs 5. You exaggerate.
You cannot exaggerate like that. It is rude.
Mom.
What, babe?
That place is gone.
Yeah, I'm
I
already
didn't
past
even see
it.
the bread store.
That place looks fine.
Bread store? Yeah. The fidget.
The bread store got.
They've even
by
still got
Michael.
glass in their windows.
Yeah, I mean, they look fine.
It's
Alamo
Alamo.
looks fine.
No, it don't. No, look at their roof. They're not fine. Their front storefront might be there, but the rest of it.
Somebody. What'd that say on the phone?
Douglas Road is not over here. That's the street over. I think it got blown over.
Did the street move?
Yeah. So what happened was Hurricane Michael picked up the whole entire street and moved the street and the street sign. Where's Mom? Where's where Josh is? It's gone. They weren't taking no chances.
Y'all pulling in the petrol. There ain't no.
They gonna get some gas. Lift up those covers! Siphon!
Mom.
Yeah. What are you doing?
He don't know where he is.
He's just across everybody else.
7 o'clock.
On the top, I'm in my drop top, cruising the street.
That was a stop sign. Stop sign.
Good job, Michael.
Look at the boats.
Not you! Not you, Michael! Not you!
Look over
Stop! You stop!
Look.
Act right!
Look. You didn't get none of that, did you?
If I didn't get it out the front window, I didn't get it. I don't know.
You smell that gas?
Yeah.
I guess.
Somebody's got gas.
Someone was
Their car
stifling
alarm
gas
sounds
out of
like
that
it's
car.
dying.
No, it was stifling gas.
It goes
out of that car.
beep, beep,
Ooh, I bet you
beep,
can go through these
beep.
car lots and you can stifle gas out of the car lots.
I wonder if those boats got gas in them.
Oh, you got gas? No, you can't test drive boats, Mom.
No,
They
but
don't have gas in them.
in those engines,
Thank you.
They got gas tanks.
I'd be taking them. Think I
You
would.
put out on Facebook, you can take their engines.
Hey, nobody's buying those boats. It's a write-off.
Mom, Jesus wasn't like that.
I know I told you that earlier, but that's not the point.
He just